Well, we spent our first night, our first windy night in the camper, and I had thought that we got out unscathed, but look what we got. That sucks. Looks like it just snapped right off. So, not too bad, I guess. Kind of looking around, seeing if there's anything else. I don't see anything else. I don't know if this side was already gone. It looks like it was. But that one's still on there. Everything else looks pretty well okay. I'd have to get up on the roof to see for sure. Let me just tell you all about our windy night. And you can see around me, it's still going a little bit, not as bad. Alabama had tornadoes, and a lot of people got hurt, and that sucks. And I really hate to hear it. Big freak weather system came out of nowhere. Here on the farm, we managed, we made it through. The camper rocked quite a bit. Kept waking everybody up. Let me just tell you that the slide outs on the camper are quite a bit louder than the rest of the camper when it's raining. And for the most part, when you're laying in bed, your head is sticking out of the slide out. So it starts raining, it's loud, it wakes you up. But if you're like me, the rain puts you right back to sleep. So it was literally like being woken up and then gently put back to sleep over and over again. So the work day I had the very next day was, it was miserable, but again, we did okay. The trees blocked a lot of the wind. I think it would have been a lot worse if we didn't have all these strong cedars around us, kind of taking the brunt of it. And like I said before, when we were building the goat house, there's not one single cedar is down. We are looking around, and they're just all strong as can be still. What's that, you ask? What am I doing? Well, when we moved out here, we were in a great hurry. When you're in a big hurry, you make mistakes and you overlook stuff. So, what did we overlook? I can't say we really overlooked it, but we had to make a makeshift kennel for our dogs to stay in so that they didn't run and get lost while we were moving back and forth. Well, the truth is, they've been in it ever since. They were running free one day, and what had happened was they went over the hill, and while they were over there, they were playing with other dogs. And since Frank is a Malamute, Malamutes tend to play hard. I think it looked like he was attacking a dog, but he really wasn't. Even, talking to the folks who the dog belonged to, they said that he didn't get hurt, he was fine. So what am I out here doing? I'm building a yard for my dogs to play in. I'm going to build it right here in these woods. And I think it's going to be really cool. They'll have plenty of shade. They won't be exposed to the sun too directly. There's a few patches where if they want to lay in the sun, they can. And they'll be able to get some exercise. And most importantly, I can come up here and I can play with my dog, which I really miss doing. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And I can't wait until it's all finished and I get to let him loose in it and see his reactions. So I'm up here measuring. I'm going to try to figure out how much. I got 330 feet of woven fence. We've got all the cedars we could ask for. So I'm going to use some of these cedars as my fence posts and try to figure out how far I can get. Let's get to it. Alright, so I just got done measuring. I got to cut 50-foot sections of fence. So you can see that I have quite a bit of stuff to clean up here. I don't want to get rid of the trees. I want them to have the trees because, you know, it's shady, it's nice and cool, it's a wind barrier, it's nice. But I'd like them to have a place to run, so I'm going to clear out stuff about that size, about a silver dollar and smaller, I'd say. And I might do some limbing just to give me something to hook a fence to. Well, we got a few things cleared. I slung the chain off of the chainsaw. You know, why wouldn't that happen, right? And Sam's out here. Yeah, she's helping me clear. My wife is over here helping us clear. Everybody's helping us clear.
Doesn't love us.
Except for our son. He doesn't love us. So the whole idea is for the dogs to have a big yard that goes all the way down to those trees, kicks uphill, a nice big area to play in and run, and for Frank to chew on every stick around. Since I can't find the socket to fix the chainsaw, I'm going to grab some clippers and go start clearing these, because again I'm going to use cedars as fence posts. So we've made some great progress very quickly. Like I said, it's not going to be like a football stadium or anything, but I want to be able to get in here and play with my dog. You know? It's going to be fun. Don't worry about her, she'll be fine.
Thanks for coming back to the farm, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, ring the notification bell. Take care and keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.